as you guys can see. Dip it in the ketchup. Assalamualaikum ladies and gentlemen. Today we are making a new and a delicious and a crispy recipe. The name of this recipe is called Chinese long crispy fries. So let's begin with our ingredients. First we have potato, 3 boiled potatoes, 3 that we have mashed nicely. Black pepper half teaspoon, salt to taste, and we have garlic powder half teaspoon, oregano half teaspoon, and we'll add our spices. Go. And 3 tablespoon cornstarch. That's our 3. 1 teaspoon soya sauce. 1 teaspoon hot sauce. Mash it very well with hands. We will dust some maida on our cutting board, as you can see. And now we will put our batter on here. And now we'll flatten it. And we'll balance it with the knife. We will cut the corners, as you can see. We will cut this in half. We'll now slice it. Now, as you can see, we have cut in all our fries in this brilliant shape, as you can see. And now we'll fry it in our hot oil. And now cook it on medium flame. And now we will turn it. This is brilliant. I will give you guys a upper look, as you can see. And now we'll put our fries in a tissue so we can judge the oil. We don't want our fries to be oily, you guys know. And I'll put our best fries in there. They're so fluffy, guys. And they're crispy and they're big. Oh gosh, I can't wait for this to be ready. So guys, with 2 potatoes, my plate is full with crispy, fluffy fries. And now we'll put in our fries bowl. Okay guys, so I'll put in my fries bowl, as you can see. And now I will fill it with the yummy, delicious ketchup. Okay guys, so now it is a testing time. At the moment I have been waiting for. I'll take the fluffy one, dip it in the ketchup. Bravo! This is delicious. Easy recipe with just 2 potatoes. It's filled. So if you guys like this video, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.